Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
This is the introductory slide. This slide reveals the topic of the presentation. This slide is about prepaid payment instruments. Prepaid payment instruments are methods that facilitate the purchase of goods and services against the value stored on such instruments. The value stored on such instruments represent the value paid for by the holder by cash, by debit to a bank account, or by credit card. The prepaid instruments can be issued by smart cards, magnetic strip card, internet accounts, online wallets, mobile account, mobile wallets, paper vouchers, and any such instruments used to access the prepaid amount. This slide is about categories of prepaid payment instruments. The prepaid payment instruments that can be issued in the country are classified under the following categories. Closed system payment instruments. These are payment instruments issued by a person for facilitating the purchase of goods and services from him or her it. Semi-closed system payment instruments. These payment instruments are redeemable at a group of clearly identified merchants that contract specifically with the issuer to accept the payment instrument. These instruments do not permit cash withdrawal or redemption by the holder. This slide is the continuation of the slide 3rd. Semi-open system payment instruments. These are payment instruments that can be used to purchase goods and services at any card accepting merchant locations. These instruments do not permit cash withdrawal or redemption by the holder. Open system payment instruments. These payment instruments can be used for the purchase of goods and services and also permit cash withdrawal at ATMs, merchant local locations, and automated business correspondents. Mobile prepaid instruments. These are prepaid talk time instruments issued by mobile service providers. This talk time value can also be used to purchase value added service from the mobile service provider or third party service providers. This slide is about eligibility. Banks and non-banking financial companies (NBFC) who comply with the eligibility criteria would be permitted to issue all categories of prepaid payment instruments. Only banks permitted to provide mobile banking transactions by the Reserve Bank of India shall be permitted to launch mobile-based prepaid payment instruments. This slide is the continuation of slide 5th. Other entities would be permitted to issue only closed system prepaid payment instruments and semi-closed system prepaid payment instruments. Mobile service providers are permitted to issue mobile prepaid value. The use of mobile prepaid value for the purchase of other goods and services shall not be permitted. This slide is about closed system payment instruments. These payment instruments are generally issued by business establishment for use within their premises only. They do not permit cash withdrawal. The maximum limit of ₹5,000. Example: coupons issued by corporates to employees for use within the establishment. This slide is about semi-closed system payment instruments. These payment instruments are redeemable at clearly identifiable merchants locations which are in contract with the issuer to accept the payment instrument. These do not permit cash withdrawal. Example: ATM. This slide is about semi-open system payment instruments. These are payment instruments that can be used for the purchase of goods and services at any merchant or location of accepts card POS terminals. These do not permit cash withdrawal or redemption. This slide is about open system payment instruments. These are payment instruments that can be used for the purchase of goods and services. They also permit cash withdrawal at ATMs. Thank you.